the window upstairs with the movement on the corners is directly at the front. So it's this window on the second floor here. I said I'd come down here and check for any drainage issues that may cause it, but I can't really see any. Like the downpipes look fine. Structurally everything looks fine. There's gravel on this side. That is a lower side. Hello, how are you? Good. I'm just checking out. Looks cool. You guys having a break?
Yeah, sure are.
Yeah, there's a little bit of a movement in the top plaster corner upstairs, so I've come out to investigate why it could be. I don't know. Going through the back. Okay, the post, that's fine. Yeah, that's definitely possum, isn't it? So this is just a standard cover, and that can be easily replaced. So that is about 2.5 meters. The rest of it seems okay. This flow's fine. This is the boundary wall, so the small retaining walls on the inside, there's already signs of it moving. Okay, the reason why this has split is because it's just not that well constructed. So stop. Oh, what's this? Where did that come off? Oh, okay. Alright, so the tilers here haven't done the best job. You see this one's fallen out from here. Okay, so we have a couple of loose tiles. We're just leaving them up against here. The downpipe is fine. I don't have any issues with that. So that's just the tiles there. Alright, so that's a pretty decent sized crack. It isn't structural. There's no breaks in it. It's not anything structural, it's just the way it was made. And likewise, going into the back retaining, you can see. Now normally when they do this, even with such a small fence, you sort of need some drainage. Okay, so there's a little bit of a gap between here. That's fine, that's not a problem. So there is some construction down the back here apparently, with a retaining wall. Okay, so here's our retaining wall from here. I can see it, and it's set away. Scroll down. Oops, wrong way, wrong way. Scroll down. So this is what it looks like from here. There is some tree roots here. This looks like a Chinese elm, which is a weed. So that looks like a Chinese elm. Is that Chinese elm? That's a Chinese elm, and that's an old macadamia. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. So